Every spring, our gardens become bustling nurseries. These are recently fledged house sparrows. So they've left the nest, but they are completely dependent on their parents. You can see the frantic fluttering of the wings and the wide gape of the beak. These both serve as the feed stimulus for the parent. Even after leaving the nest, young birds rarely stray far. Wherever mum goes, the fledgling isn't far behind. In a single clutch, house sparrows typically have up to 5 chicks, and may even raise 2 or 3 of these broods throughout the breeding season. These youngsters still have a lot to learn. A lesson in timing, maybe. But lucky for them, these parents always provide a next course. And like this female house sparrow, sometimes these parents just need a rest. Of course, house sparrows aren't alone. Across our gardens, woodlands and all habitats, countless parents are doing exactly the same thing. Different species, the same relentless responsibility. But this work did not begin here. Weeks earlier, birds of every kind were already hard at work. A pair of jackdaws have chosen this hollow of a tree to build their nest. Towards the end of this nest building, the pair had managed to block the hole with a small piece of wood, just enough for them to fit through, but still minimize the risk of predation. Not every young bird depends on its parents in quite the same way. These goslings are already feeding themselves on grasses and fresh shoots. But independence doesn't mean safety. They're still vulnerable, and the parents bear the equally important job of standing guard. This circling red kite is predominantly a scavenger, yet they are opportunistic, and so the parents will be on high alert. What I find so captivating about these bird parents is the unwavering dedication. One could argue it's just hardwired instinct, but that instinct for me is precisely what makes nature's devotion so moving.